Welcome back to Health and Beauty with Dr. Sonia. I'm Sharon Coleman. And Dr. Sonia, you know, we've been talking about procedures for laser liposuction. We've been talking about before and after, what to experience exactly, but we've not really touched on the holistic approach. Who's a candidate? How does that work exactly?
It's a very good point, Sharon, because not everyone is going to be a candidate for this procedure. We like to think about candidates as being ideal, very good, okay, or not a candidate. The ideal and good candidates are going to be those who are already taking that holistic approach, eating well, exercising regularly. They're doing everything possible to lose that extra weight, but they can't just lose that extra last bit.
Well, if they're having the procedure done, is there anything else they need to take into consideration?
I do say that it's very important, no matter who you decide to go to, always research the procedure that you're thinking about having done, research the office as well as the physicians, because you want to feel comfortable. You want to be able to feel a connection and trust with your doctor.
Of course.
And I also say to seek a board-certified dermatologist or plastic surgeon, because truly, you know, dermatologists and plastic surgeons are the experts in skin and body.
What you're saying is you want to go to somebody who specializes in this.
Right, and that's my tip of the week. That's my prescription for health and beauty.
Now, are there any frequently asked questions? People, every time they either send you an email or they come into your office, what are they asking about specifically?
I think that right now, especially with the economy, I think people are looking to do things that don't have a whole lot of downtime. They need to be back to work. They need to be able to do their regular activities. So they're looking for more options regarding non-invasive procedures as well as minimally invasive procedures. And this is a great alternative to undergoing the knife.
Right, and in addition to the fact that it's minimally invasive, there is less bruising,
right,
as
less
you were
downtime,
saying.
right, exactly. And it's a very safe procedure. There's no general anesthesia risk involved. So there are several benefits to this procedure over traditional liposuction.
Well, thank you, Dr. Sonia, for sharing your knowledge of laser liposuction. It's exciting to really find out more about this as an alternative treatment, something that's now brought to the marketplace.
Absolutely, and I do want to mention that the holistic approach is very important, but you also want to maintain the exercising and regular, exercising and
healthy
dieting
lifestyle
to maintain your results.
Well, thank you for joining us for Health and Beauty with Dr. Sonia, and we will see you next time. If you have any questions for Dr. Sonia, please visit EliteMDSpa.com. Click on the link for Health and Beauty with Dr. Sonia.
The information and advice given on this program is for general informational purposes only. For medical advice on specific treatments, medical professionals should be consulted. You should not initiate a course of treatment without consulting a qualified doctor. The opinions expressed on the program are those of the guest and not those of KRON TV, its management, employees, or advisors.